Hello friends, welcome to Nifty Intraday levels. We'll talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty Thursday 15th October analysis, and we'll be calculating targets for Friday 16th October 2020. Before proceeding further, I would like to just make a disclaimer. This video is only for educational and learning purpose. It's completely based on Nifty and Bank Nifty technical analysis with utilizing spot levels. Consult your financial advisor before taking any real position in the market. If you see Nifty, actually today it opened almost at 1200 12,023.45 levels. It made high of 12,025, that is just 2 points up, and made low of 11,661.3 and closed almost at 11,680.35. So if you see from compared to 14th October's closing, it opened 52 points up, but at the time of closing it almost closed 290 points down. So if you see my earlier video, you would see that whatever sell signals were there, so that matched completely. So you can just whatever here, I guess one link would come actually, and you can just go through that video as well. So whatever my sell signals were there, that matched, I can say, near about 99%. So from technical indicators perspective, currently RSI is neutral, MACD is positive, CCI in overbought zone, ADX negative. So if you see that MACD is only at positive territory, which triggers kind of buy signal here. But if you see that all other three indicators are at kind of negative or overbought or neutral, so in that case market would definitely look for kind of below levels. So from Fibonacci retracement perspective and kind of recent lows high perspective, if you see that support below lies at 11,340 and 11,499. Upside resistance lies at 11,763 and 11,905. From SMA EMS perspective, support below lies at 11,365 and 11,484. Upside resistance lies at 11,726 and 11,758. From candlestick charts, actually, I can see there are two emerging bearish candlestick patterns are emerging. So first one is a dark cloud cover, which is on weekly chart. It has a kind of strong reliability. So definitely this should act as a kind of this is providing us a kind of bearishness in the market. Inverted hammer on 15-minute chart, which is also have kind of low reliability. But yes, definitely with this dark cloud cover, I see actually market has kind of upside resistance at 11,726 or 750 levels. So definitely 11,700 750 should act as a kind of resistance zone for the incoming days for the market. So if you see this kind of change in open interest for kind of 22nd October's expiry, if you see here that change in open interest seen in kind of 11,700 to 12,400 levels, we saw kind of change in open interest in call here. And if you see that put open interest, put change in open interest from 11,600 till kind of 10,900 levels. But you see that 11,000 has a kind of good change in open interest today. So from net open interest perspective, if you see that 12,000 has the highest open interest in call, second highest in open interest lies at 11,900 strike. And then if you see that maximum open interest in put lies at 11,000 level. Second highest open interest is lies at 11,600 level at this moment. So definitely for tomorrow's trade, if you see this chart, so Nifty closed at around 11,680 levels. So maybe Nifty would try to trade in the range of 11,500 to kind of 750, around this 200 250 points range comes out for tomorrow actually. But we'll see from technical analysis perspective the kind of conservative levels comes for kind of Nifty for Friday's 16th October's trading. So if you see here, day range comes out to be 11,489 to 11,853. My system or my actually calculations give me buy signal if Nifty trades above 11,637 and sustains for some time, then definitely I would look for 664, 691, 718 or 745 levels. But definitely I see that Nifty should open also gap down tomorrow because I just saw the Dow Jones is also a bit down, so I'm hoping that tomorrow Nifty also should open gap down. So if it trades below 11,610, then definitely we should look for 583, 556, 529, 502 and 475 levels. So if you see my yesterday's video, whatever my sales signal was there, it was perfectly matching, I can say 99%. So it gave kind of good earning opportunity in today's market. Now we'll talk about Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if you see that it opened almost 46 points up and closed almost 802 points down compared to kind of 14th October's closing. So high it made today 24,087 and lower 22,970. So if you see almost near about 1,100 points actually trading range was there today. So if you see currently from Fibonacci retrospective perspective, actually if you see support lies at 22,249 and 22,567. Upside resistance is kind of near to today's closing, that is 23,180, 23,450 and 23,904. From SMA EMA perspective, if you see that 22,221 would be kind of support, the longer support at this moment I can say. It would act as a kind of strong support for Nifty in coming days, Bank Nifty in coming days. But 22,525 can be a kind of immediate support for Bank Nifty in tomorrow's trade. I expect that thing in this range actually it should get kind of support. Resistance at upside is lying at 23,145 and 23,328. So from technical indicators perspective, if you see that ADX, CCI are in negative territory, RSI is neutral, MACD have it positive. Yes, definitely market got actually today got kind of 1,000 points down. So in Bank Nifty, so definitely MACD would be in positive territory, but RSI is neutral. But ADX and CCI says that it's negative, means kind of I'm expecting that tomorrow also market should open gap down and maybe it will sustain for some time. But definitely we should see kind of good downside actually tomorrow as well. So apart from that, in candlestick patterns, if you see that dark cloud cover is a kind of strong candlestick pattern, emerging pattern on weekly chart. So it also suggests that it should be a kind of in bearish territory now. So from call change in open interest and put change in open interest perspective for 22nd October's expiry, if you see that 23,000 has a kind of good change in open interest in call and put, whereas 27,500 had good change in open interest in calls. So from net open interest perspective in call and put, if you see that 23,000 has a kind of highest open interest in put, whereas second highest open interest lies at 20,500 strike price input. Whereas if you see that 20,500 has a kind of maximum net interest on call, second highest open interest lies at 23,000 strike price for calls. So if you see that I suspect that due to this actually today's downside and these technical indicators, I suspect that tomorrow it may open gap down, but may try to reach 23,000 and then I guess close again in this range somewhere. So this should be the trading range for tomorrow. Maybe if we uh, breach kind of 22,500 levels, then definitely it may go more down from that perspective. So from technical analysis perspective, day range comes out to be 22,463 to 23,580. So I would get a kind of buy signal if Bank Nifty trades above 22,801 and sustains there for some time. Then definitely we can look for above levels, but I'm a bit not sure on that front, because thing is that tomorrow market should go open bit gap down, and then definitely it may try to trade in the kind of range. So I'm expecting that it should trade below 22,763 for some time, and then definitely that would open up the kind of down levels, that is 725, 687, 650, 612 and 575. Thank you guys for watching my video. Happy trading. Have a nice rest of the weekend. Thank you.